The first duck, I brought it in just to make people happy during the pandemic, give them something that they can smile at after a really bad day. My first duck was the Paramed duck. It kind of felt like maybe I was onto something a little bit bigger, and then more and more ducks came together and kind of made like a duck family here at UH. We've got ducks that have come all the way from Amsterdam. We've got ducks that have come because they represent something. So favorite ducks that I've got, a poo duck, WD duck for Western, a getting married duck, cow ducks, got some army ducks, which is, we have a few veterans that work with us, princess ducks, Minecraft duck, the Hilton duck for when we all had to live in hotels and not with our families, a Barack Obama duck, Halloween ducks, the surgeon and the Florence Nightingale duck, Orange Air Ambulance paramedic duck. Now it's like it's a legacy to university merge that we collect ducks. The rubber ducks for me are always there to make our staff smile, be resilient, much like a duck, just keep swimming through a bad day. It's about finding joy in a very challenging work environment.